So here we're back with our quiz. So now we're going to go ahead and add some questions. So here you can see that you can all see the different settings that we have put in. So next we're going to go back to the quiz and edit it. And then you will see on this tab right here that you can go ahead to questions, and then you would select new question. Now, personally, me, I always labeled my questions because it was really confusing sometimes to go up and down, right, left, wherever. So I always did question 1, question 2, question 3. So it was really clear which question it was on. And students could also kind of see and organize themselves where they were. Over here is multiple choice. You can also see the different parts that you have. I usually use multiple choice, true or false, fill in the blank. I also did matching a lot. And possibly multiple drop downs or even multiple answers. Now, for the point system, make sure that you change the point system here. If you want it to be more points, since it is multiple choice, I would keep it at 1 point. Now here you would go ahead and then add in your questions. So for example, that could be factor the following equation. Now, since you are inserting an equation, you need to go to insert math equation right here. So you would go here and then type an x and then your squared, and then click on the right to get out of it, and then plus, let's say 4x minus 9. And then you would go ahead and insert the equation. Okay? And then over here, you would go ahead and put in your answers. I'm just going to fake these answers now. They're obviously incorrect. But let's say it would be 8, 4, 3, and 2. So automatically this will come in as your correct answer, but you would obviously you want to switch up the correct answers. It took me forever to figure out. I have no idea why, but if you want the second answer to be the correct answer, you just have to click here. If you want the last answer to be the correct answer, you just click here, and that's it. And you could also go ahead and add another answer if you wanted to. Now, something that's really important, before you click save, you have to update the question. If you do not update the question, this will be gone and it's not saved. And that gets really annoying, especially if you are inserting images. So for example, here, you can embed images, you can embed other things, link things, and it gets sometimes to be a lot of work. So if you forget these, you want to make sure that you're updating the question. And what you also want to make sure is that automatically your font size is 12, but you want to bring this up to at least 14, if not 18. It gets really, really difficult for students to see. So you want to make sure that you are trying to make this at least 14 or 18, especially with our students that have special needs. And then you would go ahead and update the question. And here would be the question.